What is the setting of this vibrating disc? All vibrating discs are universal. About this location, there are some places can be wide and narrow can be adjusted. This is also adjustable, and then we can apply peels of different sizes. Different sizes are also compatible. What kind of technology is used? It's all the same. We have one in this position, radiating fiber optic sensors. So our peels go through this fiber optic sensor. We'll know its data. When we need to pack once and twice, or 3 times, this is a place where it can fill. Thus, the count is completed. Is there a storage bin? We also have a peel hopper for this one. There is a peel hopper. So wait till we get the drugs in. Let's turn off the cylinder first. Don't turn it on until the signal brightens. Please look over here. All of these vibrating discs. Against this hopper, it will slide down. Yes,